Welcome back to AmazingTrungX. From the heart of the raging ocean, SpaceGodzilla rises from the abyss, a cosmic beast awakened by chaos and fury. Crashing waves explode beneath his feet as he brings with him the destructive energy of the universe. He lets out an earth-shaking roar, then unleashes a blazing beam of cosmic fire that rips through the towering cliff ahead. Crystalline spires erupt from his body, glowing like ancient weapons forged in forgotten galaxies. This is more than just a model. It's a frozen moment of destruction and power, captured forever in resin, shaped by hand and driven by pure passion. Stay tuned, my friends. This is where the chaos begins. Huge thanks to Let's Resin for supporting AmazingTrungX throughout this creative journey. From my very first projects to the more complex builds today, Let's Resin has always been an essential part of the process. With incredible clarity, strong durability, and excellent anti-bubble performance, this resin gives me full confidence in every pour. I've tried many brands before, but Let's Resin consistently delivers that smooth, controllable feel, even when working with ultra-fine details or multi-layered designs. One of the biggest advantages? Its ability to blend beautifully with pigment powders, dyes, mica, and even natural materials like wood, stone, or sand. That versatility allows me to bring my wildest ideas to life, whether it's recreating an ocean inside a block or freezing a storm in mid-air. To me, resin isn't just a material, it's the foundation of imagination. And Let's Resin is what gives my artwork its soul. So, if you're looking for a resin that's reliable, crystal clear, and truly built for creators, give Let's Resin a try. You won't be disappointed. You'll find the product link down in the description below. And just like that, another wild vision becomes reality. Thank you for being part of every twist, turn, and crazy detail. Now take a deep breath, hit the lights, and witness the chaos and beauty we've unleashed. It's showtime.
Also, don't forget that we offer many unique epoxy resin products. Please support us by shopping on our website, www.AmazingTrungX.com. Wishing you all a week full of energy. Goodbye.